The DJI Air series has always been a go-to for drone enthusiasts, but now, with the Air 3S hitting the scene, things are about to get even more interesting. The Air 3 impressed us with its excellent low-light capabilities and overall performance. But can the Air 3S take it to the next level? In today's video, we're comparing both drones side by side to see if the Air 3S truly offers a game-changing upgrade. Whether you're into stunning aerial shots or nighttime videography, this is the comparison you don't want to miss. The DJI Air 3 introduced a dual camera system featuring a 1 by 1.3-inch wide-angle camera and a medium telephoto camera, letting users capture high-quality 48MP stills and 4K 60 frames per second HDR video. It performed well in low-light settings, but the new Air 3S takes things even further. The Air 3S comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, giving it a 50MP wide-angle camera and a 48MP telephoto camera. While the sensor sizes are the same, the Air 3S offers a wider dynamic range, 14 stops compared to the Air 3's 12 stops. This improvement helps capture more detail in shadows and highlights, making it great for nighttime photography. The Air 3S also enhances slow-motion recording, offering 4K at 120 frames per second compared to the Air 3's 4K at 100 frames per second, delivering smoother footage even in low-light situations. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is its ability to handle low-light conditions with better obstacle detection. While the Air 3 needed at least 15 lux of light to detect obstacles, the Air 3S only needs 1 lux, making it much more reliable when flying in dark environments. Whether you're navigating a dimly lit cityscape or capturing natural settings after sunset, the Air 3S ensures safer flights and better control. Both the DJI Air 3 and Air 3S come with obstacle avoidance systems, but the Air 3S raises the bar for safety. It includes forward-facing LiDAR, which improves obstacle detection in low-light conditions. The Air 3S also introduces visual simultaneous localization and mapping technology, allowing it to return home without relying on GNSS signals, an upgrade over the Air 3, which depends on satellite signals for this function. While the Air 3 already had great creative features like waypoints and active track, the Air 3S takes it further with enhanced intelligent modes. The new free panorama mode lets you capture seamless panoramic shots, even in low light, making it an excellent choice for both amateur and professional creators. Active Track 360 also sees improvements, with better tracking and low-light sensing, giving you more creative freedom without sacrificing safety or image quality. Both drones are compact and travel-friendly, with the Air 3S weighing just 724 grams, making it a perfect fit for photographers who need power and portability. The Air 3S also offers wireless file transfers, so you can quickly send content to your phone without turning on the drone, an efficient upgrade for on-the-go creators. If you already own the Air 3, the choice to upgrade to the Air 3S will depend on how much you value improved low-light performance and added safety features. While the Air 3 is still a strong drone, the Air 3S stands out with its forward-facing LiDAR, better low-light capabilities, and expanded dynamic range. If night photography or shooting in tricky lighting is your priority, the Air 3S is the clear choice. Available now for $1,099. Thanks for watching our comparison of the DJI Air 3 and Air 3S. We hope this helps you decide which drone is right for you. If you have any questions or thoughts about the features we discussed, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more drone reviews and tips.